first attempt.
Johnny's first attempt to break the door.
Before you run that way.
Or the door is gonna break Johnny.
Or the door will break Johnny.
Yeah.
But I think the door will break Johnny.
Another one.
There's a feet thing.
One more time. One more time.
Jump with the feet first. That works a little bit better.
Feet might be working better.
Why don't you do it with your head? Let's see if you do it that way.
No, feet are better. Better raise it back up.
I got it. Hold on.
You gotta prop it back up, dude.
Doing that? Yeah. It had a lot of bend to it this time.
You straight as that, you just kicked over. Onto your hammer.
Alright, now that he's gonna break it, it's gonna come back on him, what? You know what I mean?
That's the fun for victory.
That's the burp of victory.
Yeah, watch it.
Watch
It's
out.
just a burp his head. Almost. It could have.
You can twist that now and break it.
Do you consider yourself done yet?
No, you can't done that shit in there.
Yeah. Might as well.
Yeah, you might as well do it all. Go ahead, Johnny.
What?
Oh, shit.
Let's see you do another one.
Break it down more.
More?
Yeah.
No way in here you're gonna break that
I will
son
show
of a
you more.
bitch. No way.
More is like this.
We're gonna break the damn neighbors up.
Shut the fuck you, asshole.
Damn.
Where's my beer?
People over on the other side of the neighborhood is waking up.
Very good, Johnny. Very good.
Somebody over there.